Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to be showing you today's daily cipher word, which is merge. Merge is today's daily cipher word. Hope you can see it. As always, we line up the letters and then we find the corresponding Morse codes. So for M, you look for M here. It's long press, long press. M is long press, long press. Then E is a single tap. You tap once, then R will be tap, long press, tap, long press, tap. Then G, long press, tap. G is long press, tap. Again E, which is a single tap. Let us get the phone and we put in this Morse code. I may reload the device. Give it some time. Alright. First finding the device here. Alright, here as always, from the left click on Daily Cipher, the second item, and then let us put in the Morse code. We start with M, which is long press, then E, single tap, then R, tap, long press, tap, then G, long press, tap, then E, single tap, and the word is merge. Lastly, click on take the prize and you'll be good to go. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next videos.